Brick and stone masonry adds a structural and aesthetic component to many Indianapolis homes. Whether in the form of your chimney, fireplace, walls, or other structures on your home, masonry is a timeless design element that is highly desirable. While masonry is very durable, time, extreme weather, and lack of maintenance may result in some masonry damage. Luckily, with the right masonry repair services, your masonry can be brought back to its former glory. In this post, we will explain some of the different types of masonry repair. There are two primary types of masonry work: solid masonry and veneer masonry. Solid masonry can be its own structure or part of a larger structure, and it is able to sustain its own weight and withstand the demands of nature. Veneer masonry, on the other hand, is commonly used for aesthetic purposes and is attached to the exterior of another support structure. Damage to solid masonry can threaten the stability and structural integrity of the masonry, whereas veneer masonry damage is typically just an aesthetic concern. If you believe your masonry work needs to be repaired, you should contact your local chimney and masonry outfitters of Indianapolis for an inspection and a quote. Whether it's due to prior neglect, water penetration, poor workmanship, or prolonged exposure to weather elements, masonry damage should be addressed. Some signs of masonry damage include cracks in the bricks and mortar, buckling, bowing or bulging, efflorescence or white deposits on the surface of the masonry, stretched cracks in a diagonal or stair-step pattern, loose material, flaking or crumbling on the outer layer, known as spalling. The experts at CMO can assess your masonry and determine the best method of repair. Some of the masonry repairs we offer include tuckpointing or repointing to repair mortar joints, brick restoration, cracked brick repair, chimney rebuild or restoration, fireplace repair. No matter what your masonry repair needs are, CMO can help. Our knowledgeable technicians will evaluate your masonry and recommend the least invasive, most promising repair option. After your masonry is fully repaired and restored to its original condition, our team can help you create a maintenance plan to keep it in pristine condition for many years to come. If you believe your masonry is damaged, give us a call today so we can help you repair it. Learn more about our masonry repair services or schedule your appointment today by contacting CMO at 317-500-1250 or office@cmoutfitters.com.